Hi everyone, hope you all are doing well. In today's video I am going to show you how you can do a proper base makeup. So first of all I am using moisturizer to look my skin more fresh. You can use any moisturizer that you have. Next up I am going to use a primer. I am applying it on all over my face but especially on my mouth and nose areas so that the makeup stay for a long time. Next I am going to use a color corrector. It's very optional. If you want you can just ignore it. If you have any pigmentation or any dark spot on your face you can use it. It will give a smooth base after the base makeup. Next I am using a concealer and blending it with my hands. So you can use your hand as well to blend your makeup instead of makeup brushes sometimes. Next I'm using foundation on my face and just blending it with a blending brush. You can use beauty blender as well. Whatever you are using for blending, just make sure you blend it properly so that the makeup doesn't look cakey or uneven. Blending and blending. Next up I'm going to use a beauty blender to blend it more so that it looks like a natural skin. Then I'm using concealer to conceal my eye areas and also the highlighting points of my face, and again blending it with a blending brush. And finally I am using some loose powder on my highlighted areas for setting my makeup. So this is how you can do your base makeup before doing any makeover. So if you find anything helpful in this video, let me know in the comment section, and hope you enjoyed watching this video. I will give all the makeup details and shade names on the descriptions so you can check that. Till then, take care. Bye bye.